Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the right account and permissions. This matters because only licensed or admin users can create certain groups. Open Outlook Desktop or Outlook on the web and sign in with the work or school account. Next, decide whether you need a simple distribution list for send-only use versus a Microsoft 365 group that provides mailbox, calendar, and files. This choice determines the next screens and available options. Now you create the group. In Outlook on the web, go to People, then New Group. In Desktop, choose New Items, More Items Contact Group for a distribution list. Provide a clear name, set privacy to public or private so recipients know who can join, and add a short description for context. Then add owners so management is delegated, and add members by typing names or pasting addresses. If you have many people, import a CSV to save time and avoid typos. Finish by saving the group and sending a test email to confirm delivery and reply behavior. This reveals whether send as or send on behalf is needed. Once done, make sure owners and membership settings are correct, and configure subscription options so members get emails or only web notifications. If something goes wrong, first check permissions and whether addresses are SMTP formatted, then confirm Exchange or Azure AD Sync. If still failing, remove and re-add a problematic member.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.